Prepare for CSAT Prelims 2025 with confidence. VisionIAS brings you a comprehensive CSAT Classroom Program 2025 designed to enhance your problem-solving abilities, analytical thinking, and time management skills. Master critical areas such as reading comprehension, logical reasoning, decision-making, and basic numeracy with our expert faculty from Delhi. Access the advantage of regular practice through mini-tests, tutorials, and the All India CSAT test series to sharpen your skills. Starting 20th November at 1 p.m., choose between offline or live online classes, giving you the flexibility to learn on your terms. Don't miss out on this opportunity to elevate your CSAT preparation.